back in LA, you know, I gotta say, if you get the timing right, it's not so bad. We need to find clean cars for our customers all the time, and Michael's hooked us up quite a few times, so we'll see what we find. We're at the wherever the heck this Mini is here in LA, and I'm gonna go take a peek, see what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Good from far, but far from good.
Yeah,
Is that?
That's it.
You know, she's got some areas here that you know will need to be redone, but the big bad rusty spots I'm not seeing right now. Latch here in the back, it usually has the little numbers in here, and it says, it gives you some indication of when the car can be made. It's another way to identify the year. Looking under the carpet here is usually worse than this. Isn't too bad. Going up underneath. So
What'd you find?
I'm just checking her out and see what fun I can have down here. Got a little bits, but trust me, I've seen much worse. It looks like maybe this has been replaced on top of an existing panel that may have been rusted a little bit. We see that a lot. Rather than cutting it out, they just put it on top of the old one. A little bit of rusty areas there. All right, my turn. Headliner looks all right. Seats are in good shape. I like the ride with 10s. I have to say it's my favorite. It's so classic and it's smoother.